Wow!
Hi guys! We're going to unbox chasing new toys from Shopee.
Wow!
We have 3 different cutting board sets for only 9 pesos each. Lion! We have security door, safety pinch hand stopper for only 9 pesos. We have also a mosquito repellent silicone bracelet for kids for only 25 pesos. Wow! Donut, ice cream, chocolate, bread. Let's open this new toy.
Wow!
Yum! Yum! Baby new toy. Wow, bread. Yum, yum. Bread, babe. Wow, hi, bread. Hi, bread. Hello, Progman. Huh? Hi, bread. Next is the donut. Wow, yum. Slice it, bang, bang. Slice, slice, slice. No. Slice it. Donut. Oh, yeah. Now slice it, baby. Wow, very good. Donut. Ice cream. Slice it first. Slice. Yum, yum, yum. Sarap. Nami. Oh, sarap. Ice cream. Ice cream. This one is spoon. Yum. Next is the chocolate. Jason's favorite. Chocolate. I'll slice it first. Wow, very good chocolate. Hi, chocolate.
Wow!
Vegetables. Wow. Dinosaur wash.
Wow.
Ito ang kanilang dinosaur wash ng bago. Mabibuling-buling. Wow! Dinosaur! Hi, dinosaur. I have a new toy. Vegetables. Wow! Nag-slice ang bingo. Pichay! Next, eggplant. Wow, eggplant. Slice. Bayi. Baliktad na. Wow! Nag-slice ng eggplant. Wow. Eggplant ko din. Hi, eggplant. Next is the tomato. Wow! Slice, baby, slice. Bayi. Baliktad na. Wow! Next is the carrots. Wow, carrots. Oh, baliktad. Bali. Baliktad, baby. Rotate. Yay! Vegetables! Wow, ganda naman ng toys ng bata. Wow!
Wow!
New toy ni JC. Toys. What is this? This one? Huh? Squid. So, lobster. Very good. Open. Wow! My knife. Wow! bought it in Shopee sale for only 9 pesos. Wow! Wow, crab! Yaya! Yaya! Squid daw. Squid. Next, shrimp. One shrimp. Baye. Yan. Baliktad. Yan. Very good. Shrimp. Oh. One shrimp. Hi, shrimp. Shrimp. Hi, shrimp. Next.